M series head unit here, just like showing you how to set the steering wheel controls. So obviously once you install like this, like it's like a unit, your steering wheel controls working. Now this is on cars that don't have the CAN bus module. So in your harness, if you don't have the little orange box, then this is the method for you. So into settings, car infotainment, down to SWC. Now I've just pushed select clear all, so I've deleted everything. Now click on volume up, it starts to flash. Push our volume up on here, and you can see it stop flashing. So I'll go around and do all that, volume down. Then you can do the back button. So just obviously match up all the ones you have on here. Microphone. Skipping next. Going back. Home. And once that's all done, obviously you can test them and see that they're all working. That's how you set the steering wheel controls there on a non-CAN bus on our M series head unit.